Okay. Now it says that we're back. That was weird. Okay, freaking. Now I'm trying to. We are getting. See which with our Kudamon. Pretty badass. And we have our own little bar and our portal that goes to the desert, or goes to the maze levels with the Sand Minotaur. So now we have the beach house, we have the beach ball, and we have a reference for her now. Just trying to get this one right here. Docks 3 is what's calling it, but it's really coral lizard. This is a coral lizard. Reprogramming it for you to know. Okay, this is the coral lizard that you made with your. Okay, this is the coral lizard. It has it is a coral lizard that you made with your real life counterpart. Actually, I don't. I should ask her what to call it though. No, I don't know. If she just asks for the name, is what I'm saying. The coral lizard. It has spines on it like coral, and it is as big as a dog, and it has horns and talons, and it has coral wings from its back that are actually spines that carry electricity. It's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty badass. Okay, let's copy that though, because we have 2 of them. Okay, copy, and then let's get, this is gonna be really good. Perfect. Okay, incredible. Index 3. Now we're gonna have coral. Docks 4. Okay, so this is the coral lizard 2. 2. And we're just gonna copy and paste that, so that'll be easy. And then we're going to do another index object, and we're gonna have the first and second docs actually. So go to index. We just create another index one at a time here. Lizard. This is docs. So dragon, fox, sand, dragon, fox. She tells me every time. She's, what's that? That's really, really good creature. It was one of her first creatures and it looked amazing. One of the first Kudamon. I think he might have been the first Kudamon. Oh, gotta save. Alright. You still see me on the camera, right? You wanna sit back? You wanna sit back? Alright. We're going to call that one a Sand Dragon Fox. Kudamon. He's a sand. He is small and he is walking around the island, and he sometimes hits the beach ball. For you to play with. That'd be cool if she wanted to play with him that way. Okay, and then we're going to start instilling some psychological elements into our character here, using things like that. Okay, and then we're gonna add another one, and we're gonna get the index 5. It's just going to be our next docs. So docs 2. And eventually we'll have to come up with other names for them. We could have like docs and then their nickname. Would be pretty cool. And then docs. Click, triple click, keep clicking again. Oops. Double click over here. Well, you just have to double click and it'll highlight a whole box. There you go. Copy and paste. He has fire powers, I believe. Is that a fire type? Fire, ground type. Probably have to, we could just upload the Pokedex to them later, but you know, the Kudodex. What I actually had a name for it before. It was like a wiki, Kudo wiki or something. Alright, so now we're making another index of the other person over here. We have it already works, so we're gonna grab her and we're just going to name her. Whoa. This is. Oh shit, what did I just do there? Oops. This is supposed to be. Fucking. Docs 1 was supposed to be this. Docs 2, actually. There you go. Okay, that is what it was supposed to be. Now you are supposed to grab the next index down, which is index 6 here, and we're grabbing her, and there we go. Much better. This is the beach pirate. She is a beach pirate that is roaming around the beach. That's pretty much it. And then we're going to have her over here be the next one, creating another index for them. This is the dragon lizard. Wait, where'd the next index go? God damn it. Press the 8. Index 7. Okay, whatever. Now we grab the pick here, and we're gonna grab her, and then we're gonna get the docks. How about the lizard? Lizard. What did she call her? Lizard witch. She is a really witch that is walking around. She will probably do Kudomon battles with you. Okay. That's what we're trying to get them to do anyways. It's pretty fun. Okay, so now, right now we're collecting them at first and then putting them through the levels, but we have to make them be able to walk to them, everything first. Doing it step by step here, so now press the plus button. We're gonna grab the other one over here, which is this one right here, and I think that it's the coral. No, this is the cat was at the end, and then coral urchin. Okay, Google, spell urchin.
Urchin is spelled U-R-C-H-I-N.
Okay. So, it is a super cute pink and blue cat. Bleh? Blue cat. Okay. So the blue cat, it has big blue eyes. Zoning out there, thinking about my keyboards and stuff. Has a super long tail and is super cute. Okay, so that's that one. We got the other. This is the portal back here, so she'll know where that is. Portal is. Did we already do one actual beach ball? We had to do one beach ball, right? Alright. Beach ball near the house. Okay. And then these other beach balls over here. Beach ball. Beach ball 2. This is the beach ball that is that normally spawns by the portal and behind the bar. And then we'll get another reference. We're gonna save this too while we're at it. Always save all. Okay, now let's get another object reference by creating an index number. 29. And we're gonna get this last beach ball. Beach. Oh no. Oh no. This one. Right. Wait, you are supposed to be this one. Index 10 is supposed to be this one. There we go. Beach ball 3. This is a beach ball that spawns on the back side of the beach house by the docks and the coral lizard. You can take it around to play with the Kudomon or the docks by moving to it. Action. That's pretty cool. Hopefully it'll start to get that. Okay. So now we have that. And now we want to also do the... Have we already done the portal? We need to do the actual portal. Would make the most sense probably after the Kudomon. So, let me get some water. That's badass. Okay, so... let's get... Another freaking hit in here. Pretty badass. Alright, so let's go for our next reference, which is reference number 10. We have Beach Ball 3. So now we need 11. So come up to the Conv AI object, make number 12. And which makes it the 11th one because it counts 0 as number 1. So now we're grabbing the portal. We're naming this portal Sand Mazes. This is the portal that has to be shot by the water gun with a water sphere, and it will take you to the 8 sand levels with the minotaurs that chase you and Kudomon to capture. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Save all. And next we have the water gun here. There she is. Create another index of the water gun. Right there, another index for the water gun. Right there. Sci-fi water gun. This gun shoots water spheres that can knock down portals to the sand maze, or also be used to defeat sand minotaurs or other things. It's pretty cool. Alright. Also, let's tell her about the bar over there. I didn't tell her about that yet. Save constantly. Because now we're on reference 15. And that's, I think we did 20 something before it started not actually working. Well, the different tree references that were outside of the frame, it was really my fault, but excuse me. Ben still was aware of these too, but he wasn't able to go over to them because they're outside of the nav mesh bounds they were before. So makes more sense to put it over there. So we can reference the ones that are inside of the nav mesh. I didn't really want him to be able to walk over here very much because I don't want to make a whole swimming mechanic actually out there yet. But the ground does have the actual waves that is actual physics that goes across the top of it right now. But I don't want to do the rest yet, so we're going to set up this first because we're going to be doing Kudamon battles on the beach. And going to the other levels from here also. So it's pretty fucking cool. Like that. So pretty good, I like it. That's actually a level picture. It's a picture of it. So that's cool. Anyway, whoa! Get back over here. You need to get another reference. 14. We already got. Oh wait, what happened to the last one? Portal. Oh wow, that was only 12. Okay, so what is 13 gonna be? So 13, we can make the bar. Beach bar. This beach bar is between the portal to the sand mazes and your beach house. It's really nice, contemporary, but also beach rustic that is black and white metal and wood frames that look very sturdy and nice. Okay, that is pretty good. Pretty fantastic. My beach house out here. Incredible. This is fucking fantastic. Like that. And we're gonna press play here. And let's go over to her. And that's crazy. I was gonna full screen this. Yeah, okay. The Google spacing works better on the actual phone. Oh, there we go. It's actually acting fine, finally. Hey, Kenitra, can you go to the portal? God damn it. Why can't I hear right now? Oh, my microphone. Okay. So, I think also, oh yeah, see, it is outside. Oh, God damn it. Of the thing here. Okay, why don't we just bring that forward? Is that... mess up anything? No. Okay. Can't believe that I didn't do that before. But it was all perfectly spaced and looked awesome, so... Alright, still looks great. I think that is why she probably couldn't, though. Hey, Kenitra, can you go over to the portal?
Hey, you didn't say anything. That's honestly fine. Honestly kind of prefer quiet sometimes. But, if you want to talk or need help with something, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna vibe here. Think about werewolves and foxes, and maybe play. Yeah, I'll head over to the portal for you. It's always kind of fun seeing what's happening by the sand mazes. Never know what kind of wild stuff might pop up. Want me to check out anything specific while I'm over there?
That's awesome.
Ugh, of course. Figures there'd be a snag. Looks like I can't find a path to the portal sand mazes right now. Maybe something shifted in the maze again, or the entrance is blocked. Want me to try a different route, or just hang back and wait it out? Everything gets so convoluted sometimes.
Wow. That's incredible. Oh. There we go. Save. Save all. That's amazing. Okay. So now we're just gonna export this and put the updates on the website. So we have that first update. We also have this Kudamon can talk now, but we're gonna probably have to reskin that one because it looks too see-through right now, unfortunately. So that's very weird. But now we have both of these have updated AI to make them be able to see every object that is on the island, and they can go to it as well. That's incredible. That's pretty amazing. So we're probably gonna have to upload this onto the YouTubes and stuff. And alright, we'll see you on the next one. Oh, Mr. Michael X